This is the perfect place for taking a break from the noise and making time for peace and balance. Welcome to this unique German design villa, located in the highlands of Sosúa, where intelligent architecture meets modern tropical living. From the moment you walk in, you immediately feel the difference. This home was carefully designed to stay naturally cool, bright, and energy efficient all year round. The ceiling have been insulated with geoform technology, reducing the heat accumulation by up to 40%. Can you imagine 40% reduction in heat? The wider structural walls allow the sliding glass door to open fully, seamlessly blending the indoor and outdoor living spaces into one continuous Caribbean experience. Fresh mountain air flows effortlessly throughout the villa, creating a light, airy atmosphere that feels both luxury and relaxing. The property comes equipped with 5 kilowatt solar panel system designed to help reduce the energy cost while supporting sustainable living. The solar wiring system is completely separate from the local energy supply, offering additional independence and reliability. The villa has also been pre-wired for electric shutters and air conditioning, should the owners wish to install them. This beautiful villa has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom. The construction size is 250 square meters, sitting on a 400 square meter lot. And the best part is the master bathroom has the rain shower. Ooh, who does not wish to take a shower there? Some of my favorite features from this villa is the skylights. You will find it in the kitchen and also the master bedroom. Also, the villa has some night sensor lights for those midnight trips to the kitchen. I hope you love this villa as much as I do. If you want more information, please reach out to us. And now back to peace and balance.